Oh, got a bird in it. Holy shit. I'm just down in Naruma shooting today with the Canon R6. I'll be using the Canon 24-70 f4. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, Jesus. It's overcast today, so it's a little bit bright. Let me just change this. Enough, you can probably see that boat over there. I can sort of reach it. Okay, there's a couple of boats out here with that big mountain in the background. Got to turn on my camera. Yeah, nice depth in that one. Sleeping dog. Nice boats over here. I might slow down the oh, no, I've got to speed it up. It's so bright. I suppose I did choose one of the worst times to shoot in the day, but I'm held up at my at my current job, so I've got about 6 hours to spare. Oh yeah. Oh, wrong way again. Just took that on zigzag. That's pretty nice. Shoot one at 50mm. There's a little opening in the tree here. Beautiful. I'll just cross the road over here. It's the tip of I think it's a church. I'm only shooting at 70mm, so oh, there's a bird here. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, here we are. Gotcha. It's actually keeping still. Let's get a little bit closer. There we are. I've got a couple of them. There's a nice Land Cruiser across the road. I might stand inside the seedy little shelter and use these little gaps as some sort of frame. Oh, look at that. Actually looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that, but just get a sneaky shot. Pretty cool. It's nice and symmetrical. Wrong way again. Might go portrait this one. That looks pretty cool. Might have a little walk down here. Whew. Should have lowered my ISO. Then, boom. She used a faster shutter speed. 1200. Let's go again. Boom. Nice. Oh, there's nice little flowers. Ooh. That looks pretty. That looks very pretty. Very pretty. Might get a little bit lower. Whoa. Oh. Well, this one's here opened up a little bit more. Might go from this angle. So you can see the pollen thing. Boom. Alright, there should be seals up here. Oh, nice. I could have some fun with this. Oh, that is lovely. Might get some lower photos. I don't know if you can see that. Boom. Might get one. I've got a picture of this boat up here. Shooting at 70mm. Got a bird in it. Holy shit. Beautiful. Fuck, I'm happy with that one. Nice. That was a complete hip fire. That's pretty good. Oh, there's one facing us. Shit, wearing the wrong shoes for this. Where is it? There. Might have to crop in a little bit with these ones. There's a guy laying up here on the phone. If I can get a picture of him, that would be good. And the shot going down. That nice harsh lighting. Worst time of the day to shoot. It's like just after midday. Oh yeah. 1,000th of a second shutter speed. ISO 100 at f4. I might even go f8 to get everything in focus, which means I have to go down to about shutter speed of 1/400th. 400th. Get an IG shot. nice. Oh, that's actually a really nice photo. I might take another one. Oh, it's a bike here. I might take a picture of the mirror, just get that cliche photo. Oh, what's that? What? You want if I take a couple photos of that? Yeah, sweet. Holy shit.
How are you, buddy?
Not too bad, man. How are you?
Good.
Seen that?
Normally people take photos of it when I'm finished.
I'm going to get you, boy.